Oil leakage, abnormal noise, and abnormal pressure are common failure phenomena of high-pressure fuel pumps. Vika high-pressure fuel pumps. Improvements for common failures. Newly upgraded quality. Upgraded material and process. The material of the plunger seal sleeve shell has been upgraded from BQ 245 forged steel to SUS 410 stainless steel to improve the material hardness and corrosion resistance. The design of the original top cover has been optimized and improved from a pullable structure to a non-pullable structure to ensure that the plunger will not be easily pulled off by mistake. All products have undergone rigorous extreme low temperature testing and performance testing before leaving the factory. Installation tips. 1. Check if there is any abnormality on the contact surface of the top cup before replacing the high-pressure fuel pump. If there is any abnormality, the top cup must be replaced together. 2. Check whether the O-ring is broken before installation. It can be installed normally if there is no breakage. 3. Follow the installation instructions and use fuel that meets the standards. 4. It is normal for a banging sound to occur after installing a new high-pressure fuel pump. The abnormal sound usually disappears after driving about 300 kilometers. Vika high-pressure fuel pumps. Warranty for 24 months. Your right choice.